Hi there. Today we're taking a little culinary trip to the Middle East with a twist of Korean-inspired goodness, with high in protein, low in calories, and just bursting with flavors. Let's start with our base, extra firm tofu. Packed with plant-based protein and calcium, tofu is like a blank canvas for flavor. Plus, it's super easy to digest. We're going to slice it into these cute little rings, like this. Don't worry if it's not perfect, we're going for charm, not perfection. Waste not, want not, the tofu scraps are going into our blender for the silkiest paste ever. To this, we'll add another protein superstar, a tablespoon of chickpea flour. Now, add half a teaspoon of black pepper for a little heat, a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors, and turmeric powder. Slowly add water as you blend. Look at this smooth, velvety paste. Perfect. Set it aside for later magic. Now onions, the base of all great dishes. Sauté them until they're translucent. That's when they release their sweetness. Next, in go the bell peppers. Crush them to help them release their juices. Finally, add some tomatoes. Sauté them until they turn mushy. This creates a rich, hearty base. Now comes the spice parade. Turmeric powder, red chili powder for that fiery kick, coriander, curry powder, and a little cumin for warmth. And of course, salt to bring it all together. Stir this fragrant mix and let it simmer for 5 minutes. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Here comes the fun part. Use your spoon to make little nests in the sauce and gently place our tofu rings in them. Don't they look adorable? Now, pour our chickpea tofu paste into these rings. This is where the magic happens. Sprinkle a little red chili powder. Cover the pan and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Let the flavors meld and the tofu mixture set into a beautiful, custardy texture. Add a sprinkle of fresh parsley and onion slices for that final flourish. Ta-da! Look at this beauty! Say hello to Vegan Tofu Shakshuka, the star of the show. Serve it up with some crusty bread, and you've got yourself a meal to remember. Every bite is a burst of flavor. The smoky spices, the creamy tofu, the hearty sauce. This vegan shakshuka isn't just a dish, it's an experience. Try it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking!